Okay guys, hi and welcome back. After we have done with all of this, we will start from the row columns, okay? So here I have the row columns, which says I want just 2 columns in this row. Let's try to do it. Okay, so here in the code I have, here I just want to add a margin style with a margin bottom of 20 pixels, okay. I just want to make sure that everything is okay. Refresh. Great. Here we go. Here I can make a div with a class of container. Div, the class of container. Okay. And here div with a class of row. And I would say here rows, row of columns of 2. And here I can make div with a class of column. Okay, column. Here I can copy this into 1, 2, 3. Here we go on the page. So here I have just 2 columns. Let's give it a class. Let's give it a, okay, so here I will give it an ID of column test. Okay. So here I can copy this again here, okay, 1, 2, 3. Here I will create a style, okay, column test of background color. I will make it into this one. So here I got this, and we can add a margin right of just 5 pixels. No, it takes 100% of the width, so I do not think we can do. So I need to delete the margin left, the margin right. So here I got this. Great. I just want to show you the difference between the space of this and this. Okay. Now we know the difference. The next thing we have, it is the same, but for column 3, for sure I can make this into 3. And here I have 3 columns, okay? Or I can make it 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, anything I want. I think the largest one is 12, I think. So here after this part I have what yes, we have done with this. We have this. So let's try to do it and see what is the difference, but I do not think there's any difference. Okay, let's move on. I will try to be no longer than 10 minutes. Okay, so here style border bottom 4 pixels of solid of I will make it red. Okay, so here I have the border bottom of red, so I can separate between them. Here I will make div the class of container, and div with a class of row, and here again row columns 1, which is 1 column, and here rows of columns small 2, and rows, okay, rows, sorry, we got a problem here. Just row and not rows. Row with the columns MD4. So here I can copy this part here and paste it for this one. Let's see what we have here. Now when I load the page, here I have 3 columns, but not for the 100% of the width because they are medium. Okay? Okay, so we are done with this part. If you have any problem with all of that, you can get back to me. Okay, so let's see what we have here. This is the alignment. I think you know the difference between the alignment, but we will do it together. Okay, so here I can take an image for this part so we can test it. Okay, guys, here now I can just delete, or I can keep it like this. Okay, I can add the same for this part, copy and paste it for this container. We got a problem? No. So here I have the same border button. Okay, so here I have a div with a class of container, div with a class of container. We have 5 minutes left. Okay, so here div with a class of row, align items start. Start means the left. Okay, so here I can copy this, just the paragraph. Okay, and here I think we just got a problem. Yes, here row. Okay, let's see what we have here. So this, okay, let's make it from the center. Align items center. Where is it? Let's see if something different. Yes, I got this here now for the 100% of the container. Okay, see here to be center. Now you cannot see it, but it's a center, totally centered for the page. Okay, align items, and okay, let's make this into text center as we used to do in the Bootstrap 4. Text center, and see if there is a difference. Now it is totally centered, so I prefer using this. Okay, let's make it right and try to do everything. So here it is the alignment to the right, so do not use the align items, just use this. Or make it text left. Let's try to make it end. No, so we need to make it left or center or the right. So now this is centered. Okay, let's see what we have here. Here I have the align self, start and center. Okay, this is okay. This says that I want this to be in the left, and I want this to be in the middle. I want this to be at the end. Okay, let's try to do it. Okay, so here, okay, let's go to the code. Div with a class of container. Okay, and here div with a class of row, and here I have div with a class of column, align self start. Here I can make a hello world, I am a web designer. Okay, let's refresh the page, and here I have hello world, I'm a web designer. Great, and we can copy this part to I have here 1, 2 and 3. Here I make this into center, and I will make it into end. So here I have this and this and this. They are the same, so I don't need it. Okay, this is not important. This is for the vertical alignment. Okay, so here I have everything. Let's move to the next one. I can add a margin. I can simply add a margin. Horizontal alignment, it is okay. I don't need it. We know the difference, right? So we don't need to do that. So here, okay, the column 6, we have tested this. We have tested this before. Okay, this is the same. We will not use it, but we can test it if you want. So we don't need to left anything behind. So here we have the DOM order, the order. So here I have, but I think we have done with this video. Yes, we are very near to 10 minutes. So this is okay with this video. We will keep going. In the next video we will test this one. So good luck and have fun.